Alright, we're back. Okay, I got all my spacer blocks here. My go and no-go gauges. Okay, let's go back and check this correctly again. Okay. Okay, this is 70. This is 70 right here, and it's pretty close. So we need to lock 20 thou off to get what number we want. The problem is this was 100, 101. The next one down was a 76, is a 25 drop. So I'm either going to run way more clearance I want, or I'm going to lose 5. So I'm pretty sure we're going to lose 5. So that's 76. See if I got something else that's closer. There's an 85. That'll get me closer. These are all 85. Let's see how close these are to 75s. 76, 77. So that's our thickest one, to 77. Take the 77. That on there. If there's a radius side at all, it goes toward in here because this eats up the washer in here. It radiuses and gets closer. So you will lose clearance with this design. Okay, so we're going to be tighter than we want to be now, I bet. Yeah. Definitely tighter. Okay, so if we go to the 85, I think it was this one, and here, yep, this one's 85, and our spacer, and our gauge. We're close, but we're a little extra gap. Not too bad though. So this is the 55. 55 is nice and snug. It's probably like 56 is what I got. This one's only 53, so it's probably 55 is our gap. I know that's going to wear a little bit, so it'll come down slightly, so we're going to go with that number. So that gives me 50 thou total movement. So when I put my shift fork in here, we'll try to get it close. 25, 25 be equal. I probably run 20 on this side and 30 on that side, but always air toward this gear here. So this is our second gear. This is low, this is second. I don't power shift in the low gear very often. I do it, but I usually power shift in the second every time though. So we'll get a little closer. You know, that's when it drops in, it just goes boop, drops all the way in. The tighter this gap is, the more engagement you have all here. You can go all the way down instead of just a little bit. You're still not going to go all the way down because the forks are going to let you go maybe about to there. So that's how you do it. Alright, so I got the 85 thou shims that we're going with. And that's where we're going to start it. The next problem I have is I got to put a thrust washer over here. I got to compensate. Usually there's two washers in here. So now I'm going to have a lot of in-play on this side. If I had a stock case. I don't have a stock case. I don't know what my in-play is going to be. But we're going to have to run a real thick washer over here. I might have to weld two together. But we'll do that. The other option is I can put a spacer on this side over here and shim it that way a little bit, which is always an option, but I didn't do it before, so we'll see what it comes in at. If I don't like it, we'll change it. But we got to figure all that out. Okay, we'll be back.